Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone model and iOS version so you know which noise options are available. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and you're in a relatively quiet spot to hear changes. Now open Settings and go to Accessibility. This is where noise controls live. Tap into audio/visual or headphone accommodations depending on model. You're beginning the process, because these menus expose the controls that actually reduce background sound. Next, you enable the features that do the work. Toggle phone noise cancellation for calls or background sounds for persistent masking. Once enabled, adjust headphone accommodations or the noise control slider to match how aggressive you want filtering to be. Stronger filtering reduces more ambient noise but can affect voice clarity. Then record a short voice memo and play back test clips of speech and silence so you can hear the difference. This direct comparison shows why each setting matters. Finish by saving your adjustments and restarting the iPhone to ensure changes persist across apps and calls. After reboot, make test calls and listen for improvement. If background noise remains, toggle the features off and on and retest microphones to rule out a software hiccup. If toggling doesn't help, reset relevant settings or try another headset to isolate hardware problems. If you still hear excess noise, contact Apple support. Persistent issues often indicate a faulty microphone or deeper system fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.